Hi, food lovers. We'll be making some Nigerian Nkwobi today. So the first thing you're going to do is get your washed cow leg and put that in a pot, and you're going to put some onions. Then you're going to go ahead and season with some salt, black pepper, ground cloves, Cameroon pepper, and some beef seasoning. You can use chicken seasoning as well. Anyone is fine. Any seasoning of your choice would work great. I just mix this all together. Then I went ahead to add some water, about a cup of water, and cover this to boil, occasionally checking and adding water. Then you have to cook this till it's very soft. Once it's all soft, you're going to go ahead and grind your or chop your veggies that you'll be using for this unkobi. I use some onions, chili peppers, and paprika peppers. Then I mix some ncha with some water. This is what makes the palm oil become a velvety orange color. Now you're going to get your pot. Don't turn on the fire, just your normal pot. Pour in the palm oil and the ncha mixture. You can already see that it's turning orange. Just mix it together until your palm oil looks like this, velvety and nice. Then you're going to add your chopped veggies and some ugba, and then some salt, pepper, crayfish powder, and a huru seed. It is ground African nutmeg. I'm going to show you what that looks like. Then you're going to go ahead and add in your cooked cow leg. I decided to add diced up pieces of beef just for extra. I don't know. I wanted to do that. Then added some seasoning, mixed this together, and then I turned on the heat for like a few minutes, low heat. And that was pretty much it. Very easy, yet very nice and very tasty. I hope you'll be making yours. Thank you so much for watching. Kindly like and subscribe for more videos. Bye, guys.